Hey folks, we need to run this WD-45 a bit. I'm gonna put some fuel additive in it, help clean the tank, and every so often, you know, especially for these ones that aren't being used much. In this tractor, it's only got about 40 hours on it, and I don't use it much. I'm trying to save it. It's built for tractor pulling. Got a built motor in it, folks. Built engine. You guys all say motors so much, you got me saying it. And I don't believe in saying motors. I don't believe in saying motors for gasoline engines. Motors are electric. So anyways, I gotta go find these keys, guys. I can't believe the keys aren't in this. Hope to God they're in the drawer in the house. And that's a crock. I usually keep them in it. So, all right, guys, I think I got the keys for it. I gotta reach up there and turn on the bowl. See, we keep orange flagging on these because I've dropped the keys several times carrying them with other stuff in the grass, and you have a heck of a time finding them. So I started doing that on stuff that wasn't on a decent sized key ring. So here I'm turning on the there's a school bus. Sal's home. So anyways, I'm trying, there we go. Jeez. Okay, there we go. Opening it up, guys. If you don't run these tractors, these carbs will plug up with that crap in the gasoline unless you put the Rec 93 gas in it or something like that, which is, very expensive. So you've got to keep some cleaner in them, and you got to run them. So here we go, guys. This hadn't been started probably in a month. Here we go. Let's turn her down a little bit. It's gonna get smoky in here. This tractor's a beast. And the old timers believed in timing them fast so that you get 2 pops when you shut them down, and they believed that gave them the best pulling power. So I timed this one this way also. I timed it by ear. I don't use the timing light. Just gonna let her run a minute, guys. That's it. Leave her run just a little bit here. Let that stuff get through the carburetor and through the line.